Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the headphone jack is not working on your system, then please watch this video. Now this is different from the headphone not working. It is about the headphone jack on your system. Okay, so here's what you have to do. First of all, force reboot your system and then clean the headphone jack and then plug it again properly. For example, a lot of people use a 3.5 mm jack. If it was a USB one, I could have checked the drivers. But the 3.5 mm jack, does it have drivers in the first place? So here's what you can do. You can at least update the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one, update drivers. Right click on the second one, update drivers. Right click on the third one, update drivers. The fourth solution is to set the headphone as default. Click on the system tray, right click on the volume icon, go to settings, sound settings, scroll down, more sound settings. Okay, I don't have a headphone connected. If I did, I could have simply right clicked on it and made sure that it is selected at default. For example, this is not default, but we can make them default. And lastly, you can run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and then click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.